In biology, general science, the unit called World of Microbes. In this, we are going to see revision points and question answer. Waterborne disease and airborne disease. Airborne disease are tuberculosis, whooping cough, diphtheria, chickenpox, mumps and measles, and influenza are airborne disease. Waterborne disease are spread through water are diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis and poliomyelitis are water and spread through water. Next one is the disease that are transmitted through vectors are called vector-borne diseases. Some of them are malaria, filaria, chikungunya and dengue. Disease transmitted by animal to man are swine flu and bird flu. Sexually transmitted diseases such as gonorrhea, genital warts, genital herpes, syphilis, AIDS are transmitted from person to another person by close physical contact. The next one is the terminology involved in microbes. Antibiotics. What are antibiotics? The substance that kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms are called antibiotics. Biofertilizers. Microorganisms enrich the soil with the nutrients are called biofertilizers. What are biopesticides? The agent which controls the insect pest in natural way without causing the harm to the environment is called biopesticides. Flagella. In bacterial cell, the cell body of the bacterial cell lays like appendages that is protrude called what? Flagella. Immunization. What is immunization? The body produces the antibody against a specific vaccine. When administered is called what? Immunization. For example, the vaccination and immunization related word. Pathogen. What are pathogen? A biological agent which causes disease to its host is called bacteria, viruses. Bacteria, viruses are the pathogens which causes diseases to its host. Prions. What are prions? Viral particle which contain only protein that do not contain nucleic acid is called what? Prions. Next one is vaccines. What are vaccine? In vaccine, here the pathogen is in the weak or killed form which inoculation into a healthy person provide temporary or permanent immunity against what? Particular disease that are called what? Vaccines. Next one is which one of the following is transmitted through air? Tuberculosis, TB. TB transmitted through air. One of the means of indirect transmission of disease is vectors. Means of indirect transmission of diseases through vectors. And next one is diphtheria affects dash. Diphtheria affects throat of a humans. Diphtheria, throat of a humans. Tuberculosis transmitted through air. And one of the means of indirect transmission of disease is vectors. The next one is the primary organ are infected during the tuberculosis is lungs. Microbes that generally enter the body through the nose are likely to affect lungs. Microbes enters the body through nose are likely to affect lungs. The organ affected by jaundice is liver. Jaundice, liver. Poliomyelitis virus enter the body through mouth and nose. The next Phillips questions. Putrefying bacteria break down the organic matter into animal waste into ammonia. Putrefying bacteria break down organic matter into animal waste and ammonia. Typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi. Typhoid fever is a Salmonella typhi. H1N1 virus causes swine flu. Swine flu caused by H1N1 virus. Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito is a vector for viral disease dengue. BCG. BCG is a vaccine. Bacillus calmette-guerin gives considerable protection against tuberculosis. So tuberculosis vaccine is BCG. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera and malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Cholera, Vibrio cholera, malaria, Plasmodium. Vaccine for tuberculosis, BCG, dengue, Fever, the mosquito is Aedes type mosquito. H1N1 swine flu and typhoid fever caused by Salmonella typhi, and beautifying bacteria broke down organic matter into animal waste into ammonia. The next one is expansion of these words. ORS, oral rehydration solution. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. DPT, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. WHO, World Health Organization. PCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin. So these are all the expansion of the word. Find the odd one out. PCG is the vaccine. So these are the disease name. And cholera is these are the common one, and cholera is the specific disease. So this is the hard one out. The next one is whether the statements are correct or not. Rhizobium found at the root nodules of the leguminous plants help in fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in plants. So the rhizobium present in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. The next point is non-infectious disease remain confined to the person who develop the disease and do not spread to others. So non-infectious patient developed in a particular person and transmitted to the other person. The process of vaccination was developed by Jenner. True. Hepatitis B is more dangerous than hepatitis A. Yes, hepatitis B is more dangerous than hepatitis A. Then the matched points, the correct points. Swine flu, influenza virus, H1N1. Genital warts, human papilloma virus. AIDS, human immunodeficiency virus. And HIV, tuberculosis is mycobacterium. Again we are watching. Swine flu, influenza virus, H1N1. Genital warts, human papilloma virus. AIDS is human immunodeficiency virus. Tuberculosis is the mycobacterium. Subscribe for more video. Thank you.